Hello my YouTube family, welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. I hope you're all okay. Today's recipe is Ramadan special recipe. Today I'm making chicken spring rolls. So to make chicken spring rolls, we need 1 cup chopped cabbage, 1 cup shredded chicken, half cup chopped onion, 1 cup boiled peas, 1 cup chopped carrot, 1 cup chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon mint leaves, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, black pepper, half teaspoon, cumin half tablespoon, coriander seeds half tablespoon. So let's get started. So first we are making stuffing in a pan. First heat up the cooking oil, shredded chicken, now we add chopped carrots. Now mix it well. Now we add chopped capsicum. Again mix it well. Chopped cabbage. Chopped onion, boiled peas. Now mix it well. Now we add coriander leaves, mint leaves and all spices. Now again mix it well. Now we will put some drops of water on it and cover it for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. So the stuffing is ready, it's time to make rolls. Now in a 5 to 6 tablespoon flour, add some water. Keep pouring water until it's become smooth. Now we will take a roll sheet and put stuffing on the middle of this roll sheet and fold it like this. So the rolls are ready, it's time to fry it.